To order a complete battery replacement kit, please visit our website at newpower99.com. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff. Begin by peeling back the labels at the base of your TomTom to reveal 2 screws. Remove the 2 screws using the special tool provided in your kit from newpower99.com. Carefully open your TomTom as shown. Disconnect the ribbon cable. Open the latch and remove the ribbon cable. Disconnect the original battery. Remove the original battery. Place a new extended life battery from newpower99.com into your TomTom. Connect your new battery. Reconnect the ribbon cable. Replace the ribbon cable and snap your TomTom shut. Replace the 2 screws at the base of your TomTom. Turn on your TomTom with its newly installed battery from newpower99.com. Your TomTom should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the device for at least 2 hours before continuing to use. NewPower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.